everyone, I have here a new package. I'm going to open the box, but I wanted to do this in a different way today here on my garden before the sun disappears. I'm going to open, I was really expecting this package for a while, and you are going to see more and more content about electric unicycles. Hopefully this year I'm going to receive the MSP, supposedly the S18, and also the V11, but here is the V8f. You can leave comments and I can always answer to you guys. But yeah, I wanted to do this with you guys. Small one, but for the price, it's a very, very good wheel that you have in this package. And this is a box inside a box like always. Come on, it doesn't want to go away. I need your help, guys. Let's just break all this. They send me the protection, but this one is for the V8, not for the V8f, so they are still producing it. So yeah, we have here the cover. Like you can see, this is the cover that we are used to see on the V8. Turn it once again in the right way, and here we have the box. Inside the box, obviously, you are going to get your manual. It's locked, so when you need to transport it, it's difficult to turn on. If this will work for the first time, it's the first time that I have a wheel that works on the first attempt, so I don't have to repair anything. So I'm really excited that this is the right time, man. It's small pads that you can attach to the side. European plug, obviously I will need an adapter because I'm in the UK. The charger that we have here, 1.5 amps, so it's a slow charger, so don't expect to charge it really fast, but in the same way it's going to charge much faster than the ones that I have. The battery is so much smaller on the V8f than the other ones that I have there that are 1554, like for example on the Kingston 16X. And here we have, it's so light, my god. You turn on, but like you can see, it's not balancing because I need to unlock. But let's just take out all these plastics. It's really a premium wheel. This wheel is a small wheel. Like I was saying, do like 35 kilometers per hour, not more than that. You have the lift sensor on the bottom, and like I was expecting, my god, it's really light. You definitely notice a massive improvement compared to other wheels. I never had an Inmotion, so this is my first Inmotion, and just the opening of the pedals is so much more premium than other brands. Even the Z10 is really smooth the way that it opened, and the pedals are really big. They will be very comfortable. And on the sides, I'm sure that you can see now, but you have plenty of LED, and you have the front light. I have some battery so I can go for a ride. The tire is a 2.1, so it's very nimble for sure. You can feel that it's not like a Chinese thing, so you can see that they take care of it. But yeah, you have, I believe, the speaker here on the back. You have the front light on the front, the turn on and turn off. Here also you have the screen, a small screen, so you can see how much battery you have. But in bright day like now, it's quite difficult to see. You definitely, if you are riding, you will not be able to see this. You have your handle here. It's not really long, but don't get me wrong, it's the right size. This is a very small one. The package of the battery that you have inside here is really small. When you learn how to use an electric unicycle, it's very easy. Don't think that it's difficult, because it's not. And this is a great wheel to start with. Like I said, I never ride this wheel, but everyone that I heard and they had the V8f is almost like having a 10 but with a smaller battery, and they said that it's really comfortable and it's really reliable, this wheel. The range that you get with this is enough for if you need to go to work and come back, like I always done, but obviously just 35 kilometers per hour, so it's not like I'm used to go much faster. Yeah, now it's turned on. V8f, it's connected, confirmed, and yeah, now it's balancing. It's weird, this noise. Maybe it's normal. This one is like 14 kilos, and I'm used to wheels with 24, 26 kilos. So definitely the riding experience will be very different with this one. By the way, you have here the plug on the top. The button is quite visible. Something that I like is not protruding, so it's flat with the surface, so it's difficult that you just press if you touch there. The pads, they are very soft on the sides, and the pedals, they are really good. I really like them. And if you have any questions, just let me know. what you would like to know about the V8f. See you soon.
Bye bye.